What have we got ourselves into today? The Jeep. Bumpers off. That's off a Chevy Blazer.
Second gen ZR2.
Second gen ZR2, two-door Blazer, spare tire holder.
Yeah, you can look at that.
Making a mount to go here, modifying this one to fit, and spare tire holder. it's an editing night for us. So, what we did today, which is Saturday, we put this ZR2 two-door Blazer spare tire carrier onto this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let me know what you guys thought about this this off-road build here. Not really a build, but you know, an off-road feature, I guess we could say. But yeah, overall I think this took us roughly 8 hours. You know, we weren't hitting this, you know, real hard. We were kind of just taking our time a little bit here and there, you know, slowly working on it. Make sure we had everything straight, you know, all that good stuff. But, yeah, you guys will probably see this Jeep back on the channel again in the future. It's a good buddy of mine that owns it. He's doing a off-road build with the Jeep here. And, I believe he said he wants to go put a hitch on this thing and put a and build us a overland trailer. So we'll see how that turns out when we get to that time. But yeah, let us know what you think about this, about the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit comment down below. Hit that like button as well. All these things help the channel out. So it helps me make more content for you guys. Also, we still have one unclaimed winner. We'll probably push it off till next weekend. If we don't hear anything from that guy or that person, we will redraw for second place, which is a sticker pack. So make sure you guys are watching these videos. You never know when we're going to do a giveaway. And when we do one, you got to make sure you're watching so you can claim it. Alright, you guys keep being good, do work, and we'll catch you next time.